Hi guys, good morning. This is Jay. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to create a different level of details in Tableau. Simple as that. So, what is that level of detail comes in? So, the persons who have no idea about what is the level of details is basically kind of a detailing factors which we can use by creating our calculation field for different facts, and then we can plot it on top of the visualization that we have so that it works as a level of detailing. So we can keep adding n number of levels that we wanted to detail our visualization. Simple as that. So let's do some simple example here. So what I'm taking is I would take I would start with category. We got 3 categories, and then like some sort of, I think order date should work. Cool, then so we got, maybe I would take it 2 columns. Cool, then we got these values, right? Now on top of this, let's consider sales. Cool, then we got some sales for each and every category for the respective years. Cool, then, but let's understand that how furniture is been performing in 2014. To understand it, maybe can we compare it against the average of all the sales which has been happened in furniture, in that way the average sales of it, and then like understanding the differences between what it has been produced and what is an average sales. If we get the difference, is getting much better, right? Cool, then how to do it? It's kind of like adding one level of details, like cool then. So if that is the case, let's start creating a calculation field. After creating a calculation field, maybe like I'm mentioning in a way like difference in sales. Cool, then to get this idea, maybe like what we wanted to have is sales minus, let's take average sales, average of sales. Cool, then so but ideally, look at it here, it's kind of a straightforward value that we are looking for, the sales against the average of sales. What is the differences? But Tableau is not permitting this, and then says that the calculation contains error. Simple as that. To overcome this error, what we can do is, in general, you can add your curly brackets in and out of it, so that now look at it, just a curly brackets overcoming this problem. But ideally, like think of it, it's just an average of sales is what average of sales remains the same logic, difference in sale comes in. I click OK. Now look at it here, maybe the difference in sale, look at it, difference in sale comes in as a calculated field. Now I just drag and drop the calculation field. Look at it here, difference in sales, maybe like for better understanding purpose, I would take the order, I would change the order. Cool, then sales and difference in sales. So sales is 157, 183, but ideally the difference in sales comparing with the average, this guys has been furniture 2014, it has been producing more than of 60,423 of sales above your average value. Simple as that. So what it tells us that maybe furniture is working better for all 4 years, which has been more than of an average. Cool, then it's right to go with. Now look at it here, office supplies is actually making a loss, which is some kind of a loss, but still it says that office supplies is making a revenue which is less than of an average. That is what it is been talking about. Now look at it, the other one, technology factor. It's like actually the more sales is actually coming from technology, because this sales is actually more than of the average, like anything. Look at it's kind of a twice of furniture level differences. Cool, then so this kind of inference has been basically like this kind of detailing is possible only when you are using a calculated field, or maybe the other factors which has been available for us in Tableau. So this is what the logic of creating a level of details. Cool, then thanks for watching, see you in the next video.